So you all saw on the map how you gotta get here. This is the top of it. So you gotta go around the canyon, so you just can't go over the top. So there are three plans there. So I'll go over the first one. That seems the simplest, right? What's wrong with it? Not you, McKinley, you know.
It's
What's wrong with that?
too high, way too high.
400 feet, 400 feet. That's as far as you, as a drone pilot, where we're at, you can fly. So you cannot fly that high. This is what we said? 4,000 feet, 4,000 feet. You cannot fly that high as a drone pilot. So the next step is to take it in steps. 400 feet, 400 feet. Okay? So, however, you have to decide what your skill level is. That's an awful lot of wasted time. Right? It's like walking around the block to get to somewhere. Okay? So all this would be wasted time, this part here. So the next one, McKinley, this one you should know. What do?
You follow the curve of the mountain.
Right. Okay. 400 feet, 400 feet, 400 feet, 400 feet, 400 feet. The problem with that is what?
It takes skill.
Skill level. And this is where you've got to have skill to fly the drone. Okay? It's not something that you can just pick up and do something like that. You've got to know with your screens when you're 400 feet above there. Okay, so our role playing basically is that here. Okay, we've got stations, we've got 3 stations. We've got a station there for the radio. We've got a station here for the first aid and the takeoff of the pilot, okay, with the drone. Got another station over there. If you would have more people come in to help, you need radios for all those people. So if you've got a team of 10 or 12 people, you would have radios set up for that whole team. So we have 3 of them set up over there, that 3 people can be part of her team. Yeah, check, Ross.
ARRL does have a radio protocol for wilderness.
For
And
what?
that's for a radio protocol for the wilderness. If you go to a place like this, you check in with the park rangers and you tell them who you are and what you have, and you're supposed to monitor that frequency for 5 minutes. It's a national call frequency, starting at 7 o'clock in the morning for 5 minutes until 7 o'clock at night. And so that's what's required.
You know what frequency?
Yeah, there's a list, 52,525, 146.52, which is national call for 2 meters. These are all national call. 223.50, that's for your 220 series for novices. 446 megahertz, and on the 23 centimeters, it's 33, I guess it is. 1294.50. That's 33. Yeah.
Okay, well, thank you. I was aware of that, but we haven't really discussed it yet. But what we have worked with so far and related to emergency radio is 2 protocols. One is called the 333 system, channel 3, 3 minutes every quarter hour. There's another one, universal, is called 123. So that's for another session in itself. Okay, so all we want to do is get our radio net working with the GMRS here today, and then hopefully get into something from the GMRS standpoint to the amateur radio band, and then the family radio service at the very low level. So,
Anyway, you're not alone.
pardon?
It's gonna be range, very range limited, line of sight.